Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing a portable espresso maker from Brevoy. I'm really excited about this as it's my first collaboration with the coffee company, so I can't wait to dive into it. Brevoy is based in Hong Kong, and they reached out to me a few weeks ago to check out the latest product. The espresso maker comes in 3 colors: Lunar White, Oceanic Black, and Camping Green. You can find the purchase link in the description below. What really stood out to me is how portable this machine is and the fact that it can heat up on the go. These features got me curious about its performance, so let's dive into the unboxing. The machine weighs about 670 grams and is roughly the size of a portafilter. For a better idea, I'll compare it with a pitcher and a hand grinder for size reference. It's capable of making both single and double espressos with ground coffee on Nespresso-compatible coffee pots. It is also equipped with a 9000 mAh battery, which allows you to brew about 6 to 7 cups of coffee using the heating function. Inside the box, you'll find a few accessories, a double shot and a single shot basket, each with its own scoop and tamper, a USB charging cable, and a small pin for declogging the chamber. Now, let's go ahead and make a cup of coffee. You'll only need a few basic tools: a weighing scale, a hand grinder, and Brevoy's double shot basket accessory. I measured about 15 grams of beans and ground them to an espresso fine grind. For reference, on my hand grinder, it's around 10 clicks back after zeroing out the dial at the bottom. There was a bit of static in the grinder, so I couldn't get exactly 15 grams, but the basket was almost full, so I think it worked fine. To make things easier and less messy, I used a drip cone to funnel the ground beans into the basket. Then I tamped it using the scoop tamper that came with the machine and locked it into the Brevoy espresso maker. Remove the top cap and you'll see the water level indicators inside. For a single shot or capsule, fill it to 50 ml of water. For a double shot, fill it to 70 ml. Then, press and hold the button for 2 seconds. The machine will begin heating and the indicator lights will blink until it's ready. This usually takes about 2 minutes. And if you are using hot water, you can double tap the button to start extraction immediately. Once the machine is heated up and ready, place a cup underneath for extraction. I'm aiming for about 30-second extraction with 40 ml espresso yield. Now let's check out the pump in action. Take a look at the beautiful crema during the extraction. Imagine how convenient and portable it is to brew a fresh cup of espresso at the press of a button. The Brevoy espresso maker is about as good as it gets for on-the-go coffee. If you're interested, you can purchase it via the link in the screen, brevoy.com/EugeneT, or click the link in the description and enjoy a 15% off your order. Next, cleaning the machine is super simple too. As everything is waterproof, just empty the coffee ground basket and rinse it under running water. It's as easy as that. Oh, and did I mention that this machine also takes Nespresso-compatible capsules? I decided to put that feature to the test outdoors since it's the easiest way to brew when you're out and about. All you need is the Brevoy, some water, and an espresso capsule. Super convenient. I usually cycle on weekends and I found that the Brevoy fits perfectly in the bottle cage of my bike. Even with some bumpy roads, the machine performed flawlessly. We stopped by the river and brewed a few cups using the capsules. It's pretty amazing to be able to brew coffee on the go like that. Now, for some final thoughts on this machine. I really like it and I plan to take it with me on trips because it's just so convenient. Pack a few capsules and you've got coffee wherever you go. A well-designed storage bag would be a nice touch. In addition, since this could easily become a travel essential for many. To wrap things up, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you think of the Brevoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more content like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.